Hello kids, welcome to Sri Academy online platform. So today we are going to study about the life of plants. So let's get started. First of all, we have to know about the life cycle of plants. First is seed. The seed is planted in the soil. Second process is germination. The seeds grow into a spout is known as germination. Third is root and stem. The root continues to grow and the stem pushes it the way up to the soil surface. Next one is seedling. The seedling grows out to the ground and the stems it leaves grow towards the leaves. The sunlight the leaves makes to food and the plants. Next one is pollination. Pollination is the plant that grows flowers. The flowers are planted by the bees and animals, which are the plant makes the seeds. So this is the life cycle of plant. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is types of plant. So first type is trees. Trees are big and tall strong plant. Trees have a strong stem. The main part of a tree is known as trunk. There are many types of trees such as mangoes and bananas. These are trees. Next topic is shrubs. Shrubs are very small and bushy plants. Shrubs have a small, thin woody stem and many branches. Shrubs can live for several years. The examples of shrubs are rose and hibiscus. Next is herbs. Herbs are small plants have a soft green stem in it. Most of the herbs lives only for few months. There are examples of herbs are mint, spine rice, bay, and etc. The next topic is climbers. Climbers are some plants which are very weak stem. They cannot stand on their own. Such plants take the help of another plant to stand. For examples of climbers are money plant, grapevine, and peas. Next is creepers. Some plants that will crown around the ground, they are known as creepers. They have very weak stem. The examples for creepers are pumpkin and watermelon. These are the types of plants. Now let's move on to next topic, that is leaves and flowers. So what is leaves? Leaves can be simple. They can be made up of simple leaves brand connected by the petal of the stem. The leaves are compound of many made of separate leaflet attached to the spontan of the leaves. Then next is flowers. The colored part of the plant or trees from which seeds and fruits are grown. Next is fruits and vegetables. So what is fruits? Fruits is something which grows on tree and which contains seeds by substance that are called fruits. Vegetables. It is a part of plant that gives us vegetables for human beings and animals. The next topic is seeds. Seed is a small embryonic plant enclosed by covering is known as seed coat, usually with the some stored food. This is known as seed. So I hope you all understood this. Thank you.